Hi guys and welcome back. This is a pretty spontaneous video after I saw a bizarre viral clip on Instagram. The original one was in Chinese and it was reposted from the app Kwai, which is very popular in Asia. In the video, a girl squeezes glue into a tap and then turns on the water to create these massive bubbles. My first reaction was that it must be fake because there's no way a bit of glue can hold that much liquid. Then I thought, why not just test it out, because I'm sure many of my viewers have seen this clip and are just as curious to know. So first of all, we need some Uhu glue. This is made by a German company and the word Uhu actually means eagle owl. That's why I'll be pronouncing it the German way in this video, and not Yuhu as it's known in other countries. In case you're new to my channel and a bit confused, I was born in China and grew up in Austria, which is why so many things in my videos are in German. As you can see, there are three main types of Uhu glue. There's an extra thick version called Uhu Extra. Then there's a green one without any solvents. And lastly, there's the original all-purpose adhesive. It's worth mentioning that the transparent versions of Uhu do not contain any PVA, so they won't work for slime. It's made from a special type of resin which turns plasticky if you squish it for a while, but it's not the same thing as PVA. I wasn't sure whether the different types of glue would have an effect on the water bubbles, so I decided to try all three. I'm going to start with Uhu Extra because the thick texture seems much more likely to stick to the tap. I was honestly not expecting this to work at all, but I was completely shocked when my first attempt actually created some bubbles. This is not as impressive as the Instagram video, but it does prove that the clip wasn't fake. Next up, I'm going to try the solvent-free glue. Unfortunately, this didn't work at all because the glue was too liquid and simply got washed away by the water. So the green version of Uhu definitely won't produce any bubbles. At this point, I was determined to try the first one again, so I spent ages trying to get bubbles using Uhu Extra. I even ran out of my office to buy more glue since I used up the tube that I had. But for some reason, the bubbles just weren't that satisfying and some of my attempts didn't work at all. By this point, my tap was getting pretty clogged up, and I found that the best way to clean it is to use an existing ball of glue. Just press this repeatedly into the tap, and it should pull away a lot of the gunk. Don't forget to get permission before trying this experiment, and be sure to clean the tap completely after you're done. You can get into a lot of trouble doing this at home or at school, so please don't say there wasn't any warning in this video. And lastly, I decided to try the regular Uhu adhesive. This has a very liquidy texture, so I was completely expecting it to fail, just like the solvent-free one. But to my absolute amazement, this one produced bubbles immediately, and they're much bigger and better than the gel version of Uhu. I tried it again and it really worked every time. I think the thinner consistency of glue here creates a stretchier membrane, which in turn lets you produce larger bubbles. So after a lot of testing, I came up with the perfect method for making water bubbles. First of all, make sure that your tap is completely clean, especially if you're doing this repeatedly. The more evenly the water comes out, the better the result, so you can also use a toothpick to unclog everything. Then run the water until it's pretty cold, and dry the opening of the tap with the tissue. Now make sure you're using the original Uhu all-purpose glue. Squeeze it inside the tap and don't worry if some parts drip out. Turn on the water gently and watch your bubbles fill up. What's really fascinating is that you can stop the water for a few seconds and then start it again to create more bubbles around the sides. Once it's full, just squeeze off the ends and pop them in your hand. So I know this was a very simple tutorial, but I hope it was satisfying. If you decide to try this, don't forget to clean the tap very well afterwards. I'm Joanna, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!